Finding the courage to change, take what you like. There is a wonderful generosity in the idea of take what you like and leave the rest. I don't know that I ever heard that kind of abundance or acceptance as I was growing up. Take what you like? I heard, take what we're giving and be grateful. Take what you're given, clean your plate, even if you don't like it. Don't take too much, don't argue. I'm not completely against these rules. They can have a place. But often these rules come from an attitude of lack rather than abundance. With spiritual or religious teachings, we're usually expected to take the entire package. A demand by others to believe as they believe often creates a feeling of resistance in me. Often my resistance is, I'm not ready for that. I'm not hungry. I don't like that food. I'm not ready for that idea. Take what you like feels so different to me. Really? I can take whatever I like and only what I like? I don't have to accept the whole package? There's no resistance in that, only acceptance of me. There's a belief in me that I can choose wisely for myself. I can take what I like and what I'm ready for, and that will be perfect. There's an understanding that if I take what I like, that I will take exactly the idea that I need right now. The perfect idea is the one that I'm ready for. And when my fellow travelers trust in my good judgment, then I start to develop some faith in their good judgment. Perhaps they're on to something. I'll keep coming back, and maybe I'll take a little more.